After transplanting chili peppers, what can you do to help them recover quickly, develop roots rapidly, and produce more flowers and fruits? Remember the formula below. It can save you tens of thousands of dollars on fertilizer. It only takes 5 seconds to learn, and you can easily mix it at home. Please click on the red heart and add it to your favorites so you can find it when needed. By using this method, your chili peppers will bloom abundantly, bear more fruit, avoid yellowing leaves and root rot, and grow robustly with well-developed roots. In the later stages, each plant can produce hundreds of chilies. The formula is simple. Mix 500 milliliters of beer, 500 g of brown sugar, and 30 g of urea in 50 kilograms of water. Stir evenly and apply it at the roots. This not only supplements the amino acids needed by the chili peppers but also effectively prevents various diseases, enhancing both the yield and quality of the peppers. Have you learned it yet? Follow me for tips on growing great chili peppers.
Did you know it's super easy to grow your own peppers at home? By following these few quick steps, simply pop some soil into an old box of holes in the bottom and sow about 5 or 6 pepper seeds. Give it a light sprinkle of water and close the lid to create a mini greenhouse. After a few weeks, they'll look like this, and that's where you want to pop them on individually. Just like this, pop them on again at this size, and soon you'll start to see little flowers forming. That's what turns into these beautiful peppers. Harvest them young if you like them green, or leave them on the plant to mature to red. Have you learned it? Follow me for more daily agricultural tips.
I never fertilize or spray my pepper plants, yet each one produces hundreds of peppers. All thanks to these 3 tricks I learned from a large-scale grower. Today, I'm sharing them with you. The method is actually very simple, and you'll master it quickly. Before I explain in detail, make sure to hit the like button and follow me at the top. Otherwise, you might scroll away and never find me again. 1. Plant 2 seedlings together. They'll support each other to prevent lodging and improve cross-pollination, significantly boosting yields. 2. Before flowering, spray leaves with a mix of 30 milliliters rice vinegar per 30 pounds of water every 7 to 15 days. This disinfects, repels pests, and stimulates growth. 3. After flowering, spray leaves with 30 g baking soda per 30 pounds of water every 7 to 10 days. With these steps, each plant will produce a massive harvest.
When growing chili peppers, I avoid using pesticides or fertilizers. However, I've learned 3 essential tricks for boosting chili yields from large-scale farmers, and today, I'll be sharing them with you. Before I continue, please take a moment to tap the follow button and click the red heart to save this information for easy access later. I'm providing these tips for free today. Plant chili peppers in pairs, with a space of 30 to 45 centimeters between them. This arrangement helps with pollination and makes it easier to remove diseased plants later on. To prevent pests, mix 15 grams of baking soda with 15 grams of dish soap in 30 liters of water, then spray this solution on the chili plants once a week. This method is effective in warding off pests and diseases. Once the chili peppers begin to bear fruit, mix 30 grams of brown sugar with 30 liters of water and use it to irrigate the plants. This will help develop strong roots and result in a plentiful and high-quality chili harvest. Follow me for more agricultural planting tips.
When the first flower blooms on your pepper plant, it's time to start pruning and removing the lower leaves. A key characteristic of pepper plants is that they naturally begin branching once they reach a certain size. When the first flower, often called the gate flower or gate pepper, appears, all side shoots and leaves below it should be removed. This first flower is typically plucked off to encourage the plant to grow larger and stronger, ultimately producing more fruit. After removing the gate flower, be sure to trim all side branches and leaves below it. This helps redirect the plant's energy upward, promoting healthier and sturdier growth. By this stage, the plant's root system should be well developed and no longer requires as many lower leaves. Additionally, removing lower leaves improves air circulation at the base of the plant, reducing the risk of pests and diseases, a key step to thriving in home gardening.
Topping chili peppers can lead to high yields. If you want each of your chili peppers to be plump and unendingly fruitful, you must learn how to top them. Today, I'll share how to effectively top your chili peppers so you can enjoy abundant harvests. Before I share, please click the red heart and plus sign on the right to easily find this later. Topping should be done when the chili seedlings reach 9 to 14 leaves. The purpose of topping is to encourage the chili plant to quickly develop side branches and produce more chilies. When topping, leave 8 leaves. If there are fewer than 6 side branches, it will affect the yield. This process allows the plant to quickly produce side branches, leading to more chilies. Without topping, the central cluster will set fruit first, resulting in uneven sizes. Once the side branches emerge, they may surround the central chilies, hindering airflow and increasing the risk of infections.
After the first batch of peppers has fully developed, we should harvest them promptly to prevent them from excessively depleting nutrients, which could affect the growth of subsequent batches. To ensure each batch yields more peppers than the last, we can fertilize approximately every 7 days to replenish nutrients. With sufficient nutrients, the peppers will grow faster later on, produce higher yields, and have a longer harvesting period. So, what should we pay attention to during harvesting? 1. To harvest peppers promptly. Harvesting too early results in thin skins and lighter weight, while harvesting too late wastes nutrients and hinders the growth of other fruits. 2. Observe plant vigor. For weaker plants, harvest earlier to promote growth. For stronger plants, delay harvesting slightly to allow the fruits to grow larger. 3. Harvest in the early morning when temperatures are low. After picking, place them in baskets immediately. Since temperatures are cooler and respiration is weaker, the peppers stay fresher longer. 4. Be careful when picking to avoid breaking branches. Pepper stems are brittle, so handle them gently to prevent damage. Did you get all that? The pepper plants are showing signs of wilting and rotting seedlings. You might think pulling them out will solve everything, but if you skip this crucial step, the entire field will be affected in just a few days. Applying this treatment a few times during the growth period will keep the leaves clean and disease-free, ensuring vigorous growth and abundant fruiting. Here's a 5-second solution to address curling and yellowing leaves in peppers and other crops. Curling leaves severely impact photosynthesis, reduce fruit setting rates, and lead to yield losses. 90% of pepper leaf curling is caused by excessive sunlight exposure or viral infections. Today, I'll share a handy trick with you. Please give us a thumbs up and hit the follow button to save this recipe. Otherwise, you might not find it later. The solution is 1.8 ounces sugar, 1.8 Oz urea, 1.7 fl Oz rice vinegar. Mix these with 3.8 gallons of water and spray evenly on the pepper leaves. This formula isn't just for peppers. It also works for cucumbers, eggplants, and various other vegetables. Did you learn something new? Growing crops requires skill.
Don't worry about leaf curling in peppers, tomatoes, cucumber, eggplants, or green beans. Here's a single formula to solve it easily. You can prepare it at home without spending a penny. First, like and save this post so you can find it when needed. 90% of leaf curling is caused by intense sunlight, high temperatures, or viral infections. Curling severely affects photosynthesis, which can stunt plant growth and reduce yields. Today, I'll share a formula to tackle leaf curling once and for all. The formula is to use 50 grams of white sugar, 50 grams of urea, and 50 milliliters of white vinegar, mixed with 15 kilograms of water. Spray the solution evenly on the plant leaves. This will make the leaves dark green, thick, glossy, and boost both yield and quality. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like it and save it to your favorites.
Do you know what 2 things peppers really love? These are common household items that everyone has. They not only help peppers grow better, but also lead to more blooms and a higher yield. It's truly miraculous how well it works. This simple and practical formula is eco-friendly and can be easily made at home. Pepper enthusiasts, make sure to like and save this post for future reference, or you might not find it again. First, before the peppers flower, mix 1 ounce of brown sugar and 20 milliliters of rice vinegar with 33 pounds of water. Stir well and spray it evenly. Second, after the peppers bear fruit, mix 1 ounce of baking soda with 33 pounds of water. Spray it again every 7 to 15 days, repeating 2 to 3 times in total, to ensure your peppers grow vigorously with abundant flowering and fruiting. Have you learned it? Don't forget to like it and follow me for more agricultural tips.
Today I'd like to share with you how to make homemade organic fertilizer using banana peels and eggshells. For the growth of various vegetables and fruits, potassium fertilizer is essential. And banana peels are a natural source of potassium. Banana peels are also very easy to obtain, and the process is quite simple. First, tear the banana peels into thin strips and place them in the microwave or oven for 15 minutes. Once taken out, they will become dry and brittle. Then, put them in a bag and crush them into a powder by hand. When using the fertilizer, you can mix it with soil as a base fertilizer or apply it as a top dressing. It's an excellent potassium fertilizer that vegetables can absorb quickly, and it also helps improve soil quality. Eggshells can be processed in the same way. However, before making the fertilizer, be sure to wash the eggshells thoroughly. They serve as a long-lasting phosphorus fertilizer, which can be mixed into the soil or used as a top dressing without harming the seedlings. Additionally, eggshells help loosen the soil. These two fertilizers can be used alternately to keep your vegetables healthy and vibrant. Remember to follow me for daily tips on agricultural planting.